Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can access or use Ometv on your Chrome Windows version. So usually you use Ometv, the famous application or video chat on your Android device or for iPhone maybe. And here I want to show you how you can use Ometv on your browser. So here you can open any browser that you have, and right now I'm using Google Chrome as my default. So here just type Ometv web. So this is the Ometv Ometv video chat. Let's click it. Now here, in order to explore a random video chat with this Ometv, you can try to sign it first. So here you can continue with your Facebook, continue with your Google, or continue with VK ID. So you can become one Ometv member. Just click it and continue with the Facebook account, for example. And make sure your device, your camera or webcam get a permission. If not, you get this notification: you have denied access to your device, your partner will not be able to see and hear you. It means you're not yet setting up your camera or webcam. So after you set it up by pressing start, you agree to Ometv rules and policy. And be aware, there is some rule violators will be banned, and please keep your face visible in the camera frame. So here just click start and you're ready to go to explore random video chat. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.